Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see about hydrological cycle in hydrology subject. So let's start with our people. So this is about hydrology. It is the branch of science concerned with the properties of the earth water, especially its movement in relation to the land. Why to study engineering hydrology is it is the science of water resource engineering which deals with the study of occurrence, distribution, movement and the properties of the water on the earth or beneath the earth's surface or in the atmosphere. Why it is too important for civil engineers? It is an indispensable tool in planning and building hydraulic structures. Hydrology is used for water supply design based on the catchment area, amount of rainfall, dry period, storage capacity, runoff, evaporation as well as transpiration. So coming to the hydrological cycle, it is the sequence of conditions through which water passes from vapor in the atmosphere through precipitation upon land or water surface, ultimately back into the atmosphere as a result of evaporation and transpiration, which we call it as hydrological cycle. 6 stages of hydrological cycle are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, runoff and percolation. Let me explain the 6 stages of hydrological cycle in detail. One is evaporation. The sun's heat turns water from lakes, rivers and oceans into water vapor. This process is also known as evapotranspiration when it includes water from the plant, soil, snow and ice. Next is condensation. Water vapor in the atmosphere turns into liquid water. This can happen high in the atmosphere or at the ground level. Precipitation. The condensed water vapor falls into the earth's surface as rain, snow, sleet, hail, fog or any other forms of precipitation. Then comes the runoff, the water that doesn't soak into the ground floor over the earth's surface into streams, rivers and oceans. The groundwater recharge, some precipitation soaks into the ground and becomes groundwater. Factors that affect the hydrological cycle are temperature, the temperature of the air and the dew point after condensation. Humidity. The humidity of air affects the evaporation. Wind speed also affects the evaporation process. The solar radiation. The amount of solar radiation affects the evaporation process. And soil type. The type of soil affects how much water soaks in. Then about the vegetation. The amount of vegetation cover affects how much water soaks in. So stay tuned and keep watching for more updates relevant to hydrology. Thank you.